Hello everyone. So lately what I have noticed that everybody's painting a picture of Gurgaon real estate market based on their own convenience which product they want to sell or not. But let me actually draw the Gurgaon map in front of you and tell you what's moving where. Let's go. So this is NH8 coming from Delhi towards Gurgaon. This is the new Dwarka Expressway, also known as Northern Peripheral Road. This is the CPR, Central Peripheral Road, and this is the SPR, Southern Peripheral Road. This right here is Shankar Chowk, and this is our Golf Course Road. From here, IFCO Chowk and MG Road. Golf Course Road. This right here is Rajiv Chowk. This is the road towards Sona. Subhash Chowk. And then again Hero Honda Chowk. This is known as the Golf Course Extension Road. This is the Southern Peripheral Road. This is the CPR and this is Dwarka Expressway. So earlier Gurgaon was just limited to this particular area until 2007 जब तक सिर्फ 57 sectors थे. Now there are total 115 sectors in Gurgaon. So what has happened? Earlier Gurgaon was, as I said, limited only to this area. Now there are multiple micro markets driving the real estate boom in Gurgaon. So if we talk about Dwarka Expressway specifically, this is one of the biggest market right now with the boom that happened in the last 2-3 years. Now, what do we talk about? Where is the next boom coming in the market? So that is particularly the SPR region. Why? Because this used to be the center. Now this particular triangle, as you can see, there is a necklace around Gurgaon. This is where the actual boom is going to happen. Why this boom is happening in the SPR region? I'll tell you first the connectivity. As you can see, the NH8 cloverleaf right around here, it connects the CPR towards Dwarka Expressway, SPR to NH8 and towards Golf Course Extension. There is another cloverleaf coming here at Vatika Chowk, which is going to connect a direct access from NH8 or IGI airport coming from Dwarka Expressway to the multi-utility corridor that's going from the Suna. Now, if you want to go to the multi-utility corridor going towards Jaipur from the new Pataudi highway, this is the new Gurgaon area, which is also connected to SPR. This way we are going to Manesar, which is again connected to SPR. So in general, the connectivity of SPR is the most supreme in terms of anything right now in Gurgaon. Another aspect now, if we talk about why the Dwarka Expressway gain that we already saw, their infrastructure already developed. वहाँ पे जितना भी इंफ्रा डेवलप होना था मेजर, वो द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे की वजह से ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. अब SPR पे ऐसा और क्या होना है कि यहाँ पे वो बूम आएगा. There is a elevated road from this cloverleaf until the Vatika Chowk that's going to happen. Then underpass and flyovers going from Golf Course Extension towards the Ghata. The road is getting 90-meter wide around here. Sewage is much better as compared to the other parts in Gurgaon. As if you want to come and see, you can actually see the sewage work going on here. So the major issue in Gurgaon, water clogging, वो यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं होने वाला है. 90-meter wide roads, elevated roads. This phase is going to be free of red lights. And another main part, this whole 250 acres around here belongs to DLF, one of the biggest players in real estate in Gurgaon. DLF is already in play here. Their recent launch, DLF Privana North, was launched at 25,500 per square feet price. Now, since we are on pricing, let's talk about pricing in different markets as well. On Golf Course Road, here the average price you can get is 25,000 plus per square feet. On golf course extension, easily somewhere between 20 to 25,000 per square feet. Obviously there are some exceptions जहाँ पे जैसे कमेलियाज आ जाते हैं 60-71 लाख रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट जैसे है, बट एक एवरेज बात करें तो यहाँ पे 25,000 से कम कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ 20 to 25,000 में आपको मिल जाएगी चीज़ें. अगेन लैटिट्यूड ऑल्टीट्यूड जो ऐसे M3M के कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स है विच इज़ हाई टिकट साइज, वो भी यहाँ पे है. देन SPR में आज आपको 18 to 22,000 पर स्क्वायर फीट का एवरेज रेट. अगेन DLF का प्रिवाना जो लॉन्च हुआ था जो 25,500 पर स्क्वायर फीट पे, बट एक्सेप्शनल. देन इफ़ यू गो टू न्यू गुड़गांव, यहाँ पे आज भी आपको इनफैक्ट 10,000 से लेके 13,000 के बीच में ठीक ठाक रेडी टू मूव इन प्रॉपर्टीज़ अवेलेबल हो जाती है. ना द्वारका एक्सप्रेस वे जहाँ पे आज से 2 साल पहले सिर्फ 9, 10, 11,000 रुपये पर स्क्वायर फीट का प्राइस था, यहाँ पे भी आज एवरेज प्राइस 16,000 रुपये से लेके लगभग 20,000 टच कर रहा है पर स्क्वायर फीट. ऑब्वियसली एज यू नो एलान आया था जो 25-30,000 रुपये हो रहे हैं सेल. एलान प्रेसिडेंशियल ऑलरेडी 19,000 की डिमांड है. M3M का DXP मैंशन ऑल दीज आर ट्रेडिंग अराउंड 20,000. रीसेल आर गोइंग ऑन 16,000 के अराउंड. इन सब की कैपिटल M3M के जितने भी SCT प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. सो आउट ऑफ ऑल दिस there is still one place where actual surge is gonna happen right around here. In the next coming 5 years, SPR is gonna become the new golf course route just because of DLF around here. There are 250 acre around land parcel जिसमें residential, commercial सब कुछ है. As you know, Amex is already here. American Express का सबसे बड़ा office space is here in, so that is around 1 lakh square feet. BMW is already here. एयर इंडिया का ट्रेनिंग सेंटर यहाँ पे है. देयर आर मल्टीपल मोर बिग MNCs दैट आर कमिंग हियर. साइबर हब 2 इज गोना कम हियर. DLF Mall of India. There are multiple commercial already by M3M on this belt. Then Signature Global is bringing their 140 plus acre township on this area particularly, जहाँ पे आपको golf course 9 hole golf course मिलेगा. Commercials like DLF 1 Horizon, 2 Horizon is gonna be here. हाई राइज अपार्टमेंट्स एंड एवरेज टिकट साइज ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे अगर लग्जरी की बात करें 18 to 22,000 के बीच में आने लग गया है. सो ये प्राइस इजीली नेक्स्ट 5 years में 30,000 पर स्क्वायर फीट डेफिनेटली गारंटी के साथ रीच करेगा बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज डेवलपमेंट्स. सो इफ यू वांट टू बेट समवेयर आई वुड सजेस्ट SPR इज द प्लेस टू बेट राइट नाउ. वन ऑफ द बेनिफिट्स इज द अरावली रेंजेस अराउंड द गुड़गांव. गोल्फ कोर्स ने ऑलरेडी उसका बेनिफिट ले लिया है. द व्यूज़, द ग्रीनरी जो हम गोल्फ लिंक्स में देखते हैं. But this is the same thing that's going to happen in SPR. That is why I keep telling my investors this is the place to be at for the next coming 5 years. यहाँ पे जो अच्छे डेवलपर, ग्रेडेड डेवलपर, इनफैक्ट आई वुड से यहाँ पे हमारे पास कुछ लो राइज फ्लोर्स भी है जो 2 CR के अराउंड है. इफ़ यू गेट इट, जस्ट बाय इट, होल्ड इट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 4 or 5 years. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर यहाँ पे आपको रिटर्न्स 2x, 3x, अगर और लंबा पीरियड होल्ड कर सकते हैं तो 4 to 5x भी मिल सकते हैं. For more projects, for more knowledge about Gurgaon, where you should invest or not, just call or DM on the number given below. Thank you.